Google Pixel 3 deal, new offer makes this flagship much cheaper than the Galaxy S10. Google Pixel 3 has been slashed in price on the American tech giant's store, meaning the flagship is now much cheaper than Samsung Galaxy S10. Google Pixel 3 debuted back in October and has myriad features that make it appealing. First and foremost, the product runs Google's version of Android, meaning there is no bloatware from third-party manufacturers installed. Moreover, because the hardware is made by Google, software updates for Android arrive on it first. The Google Pixel series is renowned for its incredible camera system, and the Pixel 3 is no different. Pixel 3's single 12.2 megapixel sensor is capable of capturing incredible snaps with great dynamic range and high levels of detail. Additionally, the phone's camera also has a feature dubbed Night Sight that is capable of taking sublime shots in low-light conditions. Both the standard Pixel 3 and larger Pixel 3 XL refined the designs offered by their predecessors by cutting screen bezels and making their build more premium overall. The flagship duo are currently being sold as part of a tantalizing offer from Google, meaning the handset starts from £614. This price is far cheaper than the standard and Plus models of the Samsung Galaxy S10 that retail for £999 and £1,099 respectively. The entry-level model of the Pixel 3 is even more affordable than the Galaxy S10e. Here is a full list of Google Pixel 3 deals. Google Pixel 3, 64GB storage, £614, was £739. Google Pixel 3, 128GB storage, £714, was £839. Google Pixel 3 XL, 64GB storage, £744, was £869. Google Pixel 3 XL, 128GB storage, £844, was £969. The Mountain View firm's Pixel 3 offer started on March 6 and will end on March 20. This article contains affiliate links, which means we may receive a commission on any sales of products or services we write about. This article was written completely independently, see more details here.